Welcome friends, in this tutorial we learn about the built-in function. There are many built-in functions in Python language. ABS, it returns the absolute value of x. Max, it returns the largest value among the x1 and x2. Min, returns the smallest value among x1 and x2. Pow, it returns the a raised to b. Round, returns an integer near x to x if x is equally close to two integers. The even one is returned. The another round is returns the float value rounded to n digits, the decimal point. Now we see the mathematical function. There are many mathematical functions like fabs, ceil, floor, exp, log, square root, cos, sine, and many more. For drawing the various shapes, there are many functions like turtle forward, turtle backward, turtle right, turtle left, turtle go to, turtle set x, turtle set y, turtle set heading, turtle home, and many more. Now we see practically how the built-in function is work. First of all, we see how the ABS function is work. ABS, in the bracket we write the -2. It will give the answer 2. Now we find the max value, max 1 5 9, and press the enter. It will give the 9, which is the maximum number. And now we see the mean function, the same value 1 5 9. It will give the 1, which is the lowest value among them. Now we see how the mathematical function is work. To work that, first of all we write the first statement, import math, and press enter. And now we see how to fabs function is work. Write math dot fabs, in the bracket we write -2 and press enter. It will give the float value. Now we see cell function, math dot cell, in the bracket we write 2.1. It gives the answer 3. It is round the value 2.1 up to its nearest integer and return that integer. Now we see some code for design. First of all we write import turtle, then press enter. Then we write the code turtle dot pen up, turtle dot go to -100 to 50, then turtle dot pen down, then turtle dot circle, in the bracket 40, and steps is equal to 4 and bracket complete. Turtle done. Then press enter and we see the output on the screen. Thank you friends.